Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Right here we have to scroll down and find the option Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection. I forgot to mention that. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, of course, enter to confirm the whole step. In this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and after that simply tap on Next. So right here we have to decide who will be using this device, so either you or any kind of adult person or your child, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And be patient, because as you can see, it might take a while. Of course. All right, so here we've got our backup section. You can decide whether you want to use the backup or not. It's up to you. And tap on Accept. So as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, you can quickly remove it whenever you want to. So just come back to the same section, so Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts, and tap on the account. And then tap on Remove Account and tap on Remove Account again. Tap on OK to confirm, and here enter your screen lock to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.